Okay, let's talk about how your grade works. First off, we have homework and classwork. Unless otherwise stated, they're going to be graded on just did you do them or did you not? So completeness. The reason for that is I understand that you guys are learning something new. You're not going to get it right the first time, and you go back and you fix it. So that's the reason why it's on completeness. Our assignments are to be completed when they are assigned. You have till Friday at 4 p.m. to turn them in. Uh, and any written assignments uh, that are late may not be accepted, or they may have a penalty attached. Moving on to Khan Academy. Students are expected to complete at least 25 minutes of Khan Academy per week. Each minute is 1 point. Each academy is graded at 4 p.m. So what's going to happen is, let's take for example, this is me, the student. I will throw up, some Khan Academy assignments. I will hit, start the assignment. I'll watch the video. You
We
know,
humans have known
I'll
for
watch the
thousands
video
of years, just looking
and
at
kind of pay
our
attention to what's going
environment
on.
around us, that there are different substances, and these different substances tend to have different
Okay.
properties. And not only do they have
And then
different
when
properties,
I
one might
am done with the
electrons,
video,
and then fundamental building block called the atom. And what's even neater is that this fundamental building block is built of even more fundamental building blocks. And these things.
okay, and then when I am done with that, okay, if I look under progress and I see the last 7 days, I'm going to see this little number right here, which is total learning minutes. And that's what I'm going to grade on. If you hit 25 on there, you're good to go. If you decide to try to like skip through the videos and only watch the beginning of the video and the end of the video, it's not going to count it. Okay. Um, as you can see, the video I just watched did not give me any points because I did not stay on it at all. But the one I watched earlier today came out to be 9 minutes, so therefore I would get 9 points on a grade for the 9 weeks. Please note that it takes about 10 to 20 minutes for this to update itself. So when you get done, it's not going to show you right away which 25 you finished. And again, I'll be checking on Friday, and I'll just check whatever your last day's worth of work. I can do a custom range, and I'll probably do something like where it's like, okay, I had from Friday of this week to that Saturday, and I hit confirm, and that will show me how much time you spent on it. As long as you hit 25 minutes, you get 25 points. If you go over 25 minutes, then you go over 25 minutes. Use this as an opportunity to reinforce what you learned, and to kind of maybe go back over some stuff that you might have not understood on the K-12 system or on what I said verbally and one of the lectures to help back you up. That's the whole reason why I have it there, as a way to back you up and help you out. Tests and quizzes will be announced ahead of time. I do not like doing pop quizzes. I want to make sure you guys are prepared and ready to go before your test or your quiz. Is responsibility of you if you are missing that day to make that up with me. Typically with the online stuff, I usually put the quizzes online, and then you have a window to finish them. And if you do not finish them, then you do not get the points. Labs, hopefully we'll be able to get back into the room with labs. They'll be graded using a rubric. I will look at your lab books. If you're doing a home lab, you will take a picture of your lab book and you will send it in, and that's how I'll grade it. If you miss a lab, you're required to make up the lab at some point. Okay, now I don't do letter grades. I do the point system. So homework and classwork, that's 100 points. Khan Academy, 25 points. Labs, 200 points. Quizzes are also worth 200 points, and tests are worth 300 points. If you want to think of it in the terms of homework grades, your test is worth 3 homework grades. Khan Academy is only worth a quarter of a homework grade. If you want to think about it in those terms, if it's easier for you. So just to give you like a quick idea of how the point system is going to work, is you're going to get a certain number of points that you earn in class. Now, I do not give you your grades, you earn your grades. So for example, if I gave you 3 homework assignments and you did 2 of them, that would be 200 points. And I would divide that by the total number of points that you could have gotten. So since it's 3 homework assignments, that's 3 times 100, 300 points. And then whatever percent you get when I divide those numbers, in this case, 66.7%, that will be your grade. Okay, now 100 to 90% is an A, 89 to 80% is a B, 79 to 70 is a C, 69 to 60 is a D, and 59 to 0 is an F. Okay, one thing I want to harp on you and make sure is very clear: if you do not do your homework or your classwork is going to hurt you, and your grade is going to fail, and you're going to drop. I had students that did really good on tests and quizzes and then never bothered doing any of the homework or classwork, and they got an F in the class. Or they didn't do any of the Khan Academy assignments, and they got an F in the class. At 25 points per assignment, you're talking about at least 2 homework grades worth of Khan Academy points throughout the entire year. And that can make a big difference. So please, please, please make sure you do your homework, make sure you do Khan Academy, and do not leave any points on the table. When you are done, please take this, get it signed, put your name on it, get you signed by your parents, and then take a picture of it or scan it and then send it to me through Microsoft Teams, and that would be your first grade for the new year. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope if there's any clarifications, we'll cover this during lecture. And have a Viper day.